Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, or if you are new here then welcome to my channel. I am Bonani and you are watching me on The Trend Enthusiast. In this video, I have created a super glam red glittered smoky eye which is very suitable for any party purpose. So if you want to know how I have created this look, then please keep on watching this video till the end. And for more of such video, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. So I am starting off by prepping my face with the face mist, and then I am using primer on the areas where I have pores and I am blending it in. Now I am going to mix facial oil with foundation and apply it with a foundation brush all over my face. Don't get scared, I am going for a ultra glam look, so I am trying to get a full coverage foundation, and then I am blending that foundation with a flat topped kabuki brush to mix this entire foundation into my face. As you can see, this makes my face all glowy because of the face oil. Now I am using a concealer, full coverage concealer similar to my skin tone to even out the hyperpigmentation on my face, and again I am blending it in with the same kabuki brush, and you can see the result. It is already all blended, and now I am using a concealer lot lighter than my skin tone to brighten up under my eyes and around my mouth. Now I am cream contouring on the hollows of my cheekbone, around my nose, on my forehead and on my jawline to sculpt my face, and then blending it in with the kabuki brush. Now setting my entire face with the compact powder. So now for my eyebrows, I am starting by shaping the outer half of my eyebrow and then gradually going forward, and for the front portion I am using vertical strokes as always to get a natural finish. And yes, for this obviously we need a very precise brush. Now I am cleaning around my eyebrow for a very clean look. As you can see, the foundation has already settled in my skin, and now it is not looking all hyped up and all bright. It is now looking very natural and very subtle. Again setting my eyelid with some powder for a perfect base for my eyeshadow. Now I am baking under my eyes to stop my concealer for creasing and also to hold the fallout from the eyeshadow that I'll be applying next. And now I'm using a red eyeshadow as base in the entire eyelid, and taking another red eyeshadow in a blending brush. I'm blending the edges of the previous eyeshadow, and now taking a light brown shade to further blend the eyeshadow in. And this is the fun part. I am using pressed glitter all over my eyelid for the glammed up glitter look. Then to intensify my eye look, I am using black eyeshadow on the outer corner of my eyes and again blending it in with the blending brush, and I'll keep blending until I am happy, using the same brown color, using the same red color and all the other colors until I feel satisfied with the result and with the look. So as you can understand by now, blending is the most important part. Now for my lower lash line, I am using the same red color and again blending that red color with the blending brush, taking a little bit of red color in the blending brush to blend that in. Cleaning under my eyes the translucent powder, curling my lashes next. I have applied the fake eyelash off camera. I am then applying gel eyeliner with the help of the back of another brush so that it is easier to apply, and then smudging it with a black eyeshadow in a pencil brush to smudge out and give a smoky effect, and again blending the entire thing with another blending brush, and you can see how good it looks already. Now I am contouring my face on the usual areas, that is hollows of my cheekbone, on my brow bone, on the forehead and around my nose, obviously with a precise brush. And blending the nose contour with the finger itself, you can also use a brush. I am now using a blush which is of a darker shade, a little darker shade, so that the color pops up and it looks even more glamorous. Then throughout my face I am using a lot of highlighter, because for any look highlighter is the thing. Highlighter can make or break our look. And highlighting on the inner corner of my eye and on the brow bone of my eye using the same highlighter but a pencil brush. And lining my lips next with a brown lip liner. All the products I am using will be mentioned in the description box below, so don't forget to check it out. Then I am using a nude brown lipstick with this glamorous eye to complement my look, and the look is done but something is missing. Yes, that's the mascara on the lower lash line, and setting everything in with the setting spray. Obviously I'll pat it into my skin with the Damn Beauty blender so that all my products gets melted into my skin and the look is still incomplete. Yes, the jewelry or the accessory is missing. So you can see the look now, but I really feel the accessory is missing. So yes, I'll accessorize myself with this black large hoop ring and I am done. The look is ready. You can slay your day with this look and you can be the rock star of the evening with this look. Little reminder, if you haven't registered yet for this, then please do so. The links are there in my description box and also the dates have changed. Please look into it. So I hope you enjoyed the look, and if you did, then don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. And for more of such videos, also don't forget to press that bell icon beside the subscribe button so that you get my update anytime I upload a video. I will meet you again for my next video. So till then, take care and bye bye.